What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. The kind people at Smart Devil was kind enough to send me out the Smart Pull Box screen protector for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is $18.99. So we're just gonna get this unboxed and get it installed on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it says it is dust free and fast install, handset dust proof, silky free, strong anti ring print. So it says dust free box series. So we're just going to pull it out like so. This has already been opened because I did already install one on my phone. I just didn't make a video, but now here we are. This is what you are greeted with. In here, this is where your dust removable stickers are. So we're going to fold this up because I still have another one to install on a different date. So now I'm just going to open up my wet wipe pack so we can get my device ready for the install. So here is your microfiber cleaning cloth. Get that. You're going to get your wet wipe and you're going to get your dust removable sticker. So the first thing I like to do is just open up the wet wipe and just give my phone a good little rub down. Make sure all that dust, dirt, and grime is off because I currently just took off a screen protector. So we're just going to get it cleaned up. Just make sure all your dogs, cats are away because they will bring in dander, dirt, dust that you do not want to be trapped under your screen. So once you do that, then I pick up my dust removable sticker, give it a wipe down. Even though this may put dust on there, that's okay because that is what we're going to do with the dust removable sticker. So you just want to wipe this down real good. Once you're done with that, you want to come pull off your dust removable sticker and just give that bad boy a good little, rounding till you think the dust is gone. See that big piece of dust there? You want to be quick about this because the longer you let this sit out in the air, the more dust and dirt particles will be picked up. So once you get all of that taken care of, or you think that is to your liking, just like that. And then make sure all the bubbles is out. Once your bubbles is all out, pull this up. Get all the little bubbles out your screen. Because if you don't, that's going to make me scream. So just come around those edges. Get all of those bubbles out like so. And now you do have a nice installed edge-to-edge screen protector on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is what it's going to look like. This is the Smart Devil, if I'm saying that right. Screen protector for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.